Hello and welcome to our tutorial series in Adobe Illustrator. In this lesson, I'll be introducing to you how to duplicate, how to resize properly, and how to use the alignment options in Adobe Illustrator. So we will be using these watermelon slices to demonstrate how to do yung mga sinabi ko kanina. Okay, so let's start. So we will be using an ellipse tool. Hold shift to draw a perfect ellipse. Okay, let's change the color to green, dark green. So I will just use my eyedropper tool to copy this color para hindi na ako mahirapan pang maghanap. Okay, next, let's use the rectangle tool to cut. So we only need this part. Okay, so hindi natin kailangan yung upper part niya. So we will cut using the shape builder tool. So for you to use the shape builder tool, you need to select more than one shape. Hindi siya gagana pag isang shape lang. And click shape builder tool here or shift M for the shortcut key. Okay? So dalawa yung gamit ng shape builder tool. So pag hindi mo press ang alt sa keyboard at nag-paint over ka, you are merging yung dalawang shape na yon or tatlo or more than one na shape. Pero kung hino-hold mo yung alt at nag-paint over ka, you are removing that portion. Okay? So I hope that's clear. Now, let's duplicate. So to duplicate objects in Illustrator, there are different ways. Una, you can do the Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to duplicate, or you can hold Alt, click and drag to duplicate, or you can use the Edit menu, copy, and then paste. Pero ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga different ways pa. Okay? Like for example, I want a copy of this, Ctrl-C, and I want it to be pasted in front or in place. So kung gusto mo yung duplicate nito, kasi pag nag-Ctrl-V ako, kung saan-saan lang pumupunta yung copy. Okay, so kung gusto mo na nandun pa rin siya, nakaibabaw dun sa original na shape, so after Ctrl-C, instead of pressing Ctrl-V, you can press Ctrl-Shift-V para ma-place siya in place. So, nandun lang siya sa harap. Or, para mas madali, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-F. Ctrl-F is paste in front. Okay? So, nandito siya sa harap nung original na shape. Okay? So, yun yung option natin ha. So, if you want to paste or duplicate a shape and paste it in front of that shape or in place, okay, Ctrl-Shift-V pag in place, Ctrl-F pag in front. Pero pareho lang actually yung gamit nun. Okay, so that's how you duplicate in Adobe Illustrator. Or you can use yung shortcut ko na sinabi ko na Alt and drag. Pero yun nga lang, hindi siya naka-shape or hindi siya naka-paste in place. Okay? Yan. Now, to resize, so ganun mag-duplicate. Ngayon naman, paano mag-resize? So, to resize in place, kasi pag nagre-resize ka na ganun, nadi-distort na yung shape, at the same time, hindi pa siya nagre-resize in place. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-resize in place, at the same time, hindi nadi-distort yung ating original shape. Okay? So, while dragging, you need to hold Alt and Shift ng sabay. Hold, ibig sabihin, wag mong bibitawan. This is okay. So, I will just do duplicate and hold Shift and Alt, wag bibitawan, and drag. So, kung napapansin nyo, nagre-resize siya in place. At the same time, yung original proportion ng ating shape, ganun pa rin. Okay, and yan yung gusto natin. Okay, so, hold Alt and Shift, wag bibitawan. So, let's change the color to something like this. And let's repeat the step. Ctrl-C to copy, Ctrl-F to paste in front. And let's change the color to lighter green, this. And to resize in place, hold Shift and Alt. Shift para proportional pa rin. Alt para mag-resize siya in place. Next, Ctrl-C to copy, Ctrl-F to paste. Let's change the color to red. Okay. And let's resize, holding Alt and Shift para proportional yung sizing. Okay? So That's how you duplicate, and that's how you resize properly. Now, let's use the align. Okay, so let's just select lahat ng i-align natin. Okay, so pag left, of course, mag-a-align sila lahat sa left. Pag center, mag-a-align lahat sa center. Pag right, mag-a-align lahat sa right. Pag align center, mag-a-align lahat sa center, which is nakaganon naman siya. Pag bottom, mag-a-align lahat sa bottom. Okay, so nakikita nyo naman yung nangyayari. So, ang gusto nating mangyari, mag-align siya sa center at mag-align siya sa top. Okay, para makuha natin yung ganito. Okay, so yan yung ating watermelon. Para dun sa buto, I'll be using the ellipse tool. So, hold shift to draw a perfect circle. And the add anchor point to add corner. So, i-click ko yung anchor point na yon. Direct selection tool para ma-move ko. So, click. You need to click first and then drag. Okay, so yan yung buto. Gagamitin ko to para dun sa buto. So, I'll just change the color to brown. Masyadong malaki. Okay. And hold Alt. Hindi ko na kailangan ng Shift, Control C at Control F dito kasi random naman yung paglalagyan ko ng copy. Okay, so that's how you draw or illustrate this watermelon slice. So, ganun din dito yung kanyang concept. Pero ang nagamit dyan is the polygon tool, specifically the triangle. So, yan. In case na madaming side, pag nagre-resize or pag naglagay kayo ng polygon tool, you can press the arrow down key on your keyboard. Pero make sure na pag nag-drawing kayo, huwag niyong bibitawan yung mouse nyo, ha? Yung left button ng mouse nyo. Kailangan nakaklik pa rin siya habang nagpi-page down kayo or arrow down kayo at arrow up to increase. Okay, so we want triangle. So mag-arrow down tayo. Kung gusto nyo naka-straighten yung to straighten up yung ating triangle, you hold your shift. Yan. Next, para magkaroon ng curve dun sa baba, you can use the curvature tool. Click the line and then drag. Ayan. And let's change the color of this to green. This green. Okay, duplicate, Control C, Control F. Hold Shift and Alt and hold Shift and Alt and resize. And change the color to lighter green. Next, let's repeat the step. Control C, Control F. Hold Shift and Alt while you resize. Okay, and let's change the color. And next, Control C, Control F. Hold Shift and Alt to resize. And let's change the color to red. After that, you select them all and align top. Para sa buto, we will just copy this. So, hold Alt and click. In case na nandun siya sa likod, may shortcut key tayo. Okay, you can press Control, Shift, and then your braces na nakaharap sa left. Or you can do right click, arrange, and bring to front. Okay. Okay, so that's how you draw this watermelon slices, applying yung concept ng duplicating properly, resizing properly, and using the alignment options. Okay, so I hope that's clear. And if may question, please feel free to ask. Okay, so see you sa next video lesson.